Hello everyone! So we're back. At ngayon, I will show you how I transform from this to this. Let's try to make it quick. Oh, and this is the gift from my mom-in-law. It's very beautiful. So, andyan lahat ng makeup ko, guys. And then, I bought something from Sephora. So, I'm really excited to use them. They are my new babies right now. Especially this one, the Bobbi Brown. It's very expensive for me, but it's really good. And this Urban Decay. So, yeah, let's do it. What I do is I just fill in the gaps. You will see it later. It will be finished product. Ang kagandahan lang sa brows ko is ang dami niya, like ang daming hair. Pero ang hirap niya i-maintain. So, yan. And then I'm just gonna do the other side. I applied sunblock pala kasi I'm working near the windows and they said we need to apply sunblock. Brown, this is quite expensive for me because it's like 66 bucks for I don't know how much the gram, but yeah, this is just the mini. It's like 25 bucks, so it's affordable. 25. How much is that in peso? 20 times 50, so like 1,000 plus. So yeah, ang bango niya, like it smells so yummy and it's very hydrating too. Ano na siya, parang 2-in-1, moisturizer at the same time primer. So I think even if it's expensive, it's worth it because look at that. Diba? Alam ko, I have a lot of acne, but it's really good. So, lahat ng makeup mo is kakapit talaga. Okay, let's now do the foundation. Actually, I don't have foundation right now. So, gamitin natin tong magandang Air Brush Flawless Finish from Charlotte Tilbury. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pagka-pronounce ko. Basta yun na yun. So, I just do this. Dab. Nag-improve na siya. And we're just gonna cover those parts na may acne. Like this one right here. We're gonna blend it later. Just hiding it. And kinakamay ko lang siya, guys. Ito pala yung from Japan. It's called S-Rim. I don't know how to say that. And then, lagyan ko na lang din dito. Don't look good without makeup, right? I don't know. Kailangan lang ng love. Konting love. And then, i-blend natin yan later. Kwentuhan ko pala kayo. Ano gusto nyo? Kasi boring naman, di ba? Mahaba-haba tong video. Anyways, cut ko na lang. Okay. So now, let's use e.l.f. So, my makeup products are like combination of drugstore and high-end. So, e.l.f. is like cheaper, on the cheaper side. Ano siya? Drugstore lang siya. So I'm just gonna use this small. So if you see, I'm just doing this dab. That's how the professional said how to apply your blush on. Ta-da! This is a natural face multifunction. So I'm just gonna put it here, put it here, put it here, put it here, here, and i-blend lang natin siya. And then something up the upper lip. Okay, so let's blend. My favorite part, and also one of the hardest part to do is to blend. And I just get the ultimate blending brush. This is for the nose, this is for my face. So I'm just gonna dab. And this one helps me to have that like defined jawline. And then, we did something here, upper lip. So, next step will be like lip moisturizer. So, once you're done with the rest of your face, your lips is already moisturized and it's like, you know, easier to put any lipstick on. Ganda ng nose ko, diba? Pak. And then, after that, so, lalagay na ako ng favorite ko, which is the Rare Beauties in the shade of Mesmerize. Ito yung nagbibigay ng shining, shimmering around this area. So let's now, I'm just using my hands because trip ko lang. So ganyan lang siya. Bago pala to, guys. So yung isa ko, 1 year ko siyang ginamit, you know. So it's very good. Here, parang exclamation point down here, and then here. Diba? e.l.f. My favorite cheap product. So nakalimutan ko pala tong step na to. Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ako expert eh. So, you just brush it off and make sure na alam mo yun, parang professional looking yung ating eyebrow. And I'm using Urban Decay para mas kumapit yung eye products. So, there you go. Ito lang dito, most of the time is this one, this one, this one, and this one. Parang yung ano lang, simplihan lang natin na makeup, yung pang everyday lang. So, I just start with this buttercream. I just dab, and then remove it a little bit. So, para sama siya, like, mas maganda yung pag-apply. And then, I'll just do this, combining this, just to have that, like, dramatic effect here. So, minsan, kinakamay ko lang yan. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Makikita nyo. And then, just blend. Much darker siya, pero later on, we will clean that out. And then, this one, the brownie points, and then this one. And then, just put it here, and then blend. Estimated the power of the Urban Decay eye primer. Sobrang madikit talaga siya. So, I'm just using this dab. And also kasi sobrang sensitive ng skin ko here. Kaya nagbabalat-balat siya. I need to be very gentle. So, yan, di ba? Meron na siyang parang dramatic effect. So, yan, matatapos na. And then, matapos na nga, malapit na, last na lang is our lips. So, for our lipstick, gamit ko lang tong L'Oreal Paris na in the shade of Color Rich or Divine Wine. So, just gonna apply it. There you go. And then, we're gonna use my favorite lip gloss from Sephora. Ta-da! There you go. Then we're done. What do you guys say? Simple lang, diba? Bye!